Hi, students. So today we are on week 5, which is so wild, but we are on week 5 of remote learning. So this overview video is to help you know what you need to do this week for the class. We're continuing with our art practice. We're going to add something in addition, so I'll show you that. First off, I'm really happy with the work that people have been making, and I've enjoyed giving you all feedback and resources, and then continuing that dialogue. So the way that we're going to talk are through the comments in Google Classroom. So please be checking the things that I'm saying. I'm really thinking about those things. I'm thinking about what you're doing and what you're saying and how I can help you build your practice. If you prefer to communicate verbally, you can come up here. If you are in Google Docs, remember, go to Classroom and look for office hours. If you click on there, here is my link, and I am there from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday. So you'll just click on that and you'll pop up to a window, and you can leave your video off if you want, whatever's fine with you, or you can Google chat and email me. During the day, I'm always available. I know a lot of you are working in the evenings. That's great. I won't get back to you right away in the evenings just because I'm trying to balance my work in my life, as I hope you guys are doing as well. All right, so you'll go to the heading Remote Learning Week 5. If you have not completed the previous week's assignments, they are numbered. So you're going to start at Google Chat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 for last week. This week, 13, 14, and 15. So you're going to start your week as we did last week with your reflection. Remember, you need to complete steps 1 through 12 before you begin this assignment. So you're going to watch this video. Great job. If you have YouTube, you can click on the YouTube link, or you can just click if you have a Chromebook, you won't be able to use YouTube, so click that link. As a private comment, you're going to answer these 3 questions. What successes did you have in last week's art practice? Say you're drawing and you learned how to draw a nose from a video, and that's something that you'd struggled with. Let me know that. If you are working on finding beats and you had a lot of trouble and you found a new website, let me know that. Then talk about the challenges you had in last week's art practice. As always, I'm not looking for perfection. Perfection is not interesting, and it's also not real. We're human beings, and mistakes are this beautiful thing that we make. And in art, it's really knowing what mistakes we keep that we make. So don't be afraid of mistakes. So talk about some of the challenges that you've had. If it's something that, like, you had trouble finding a place in your house to work, that's great. If it's something that actually has to do with you're trying to write in your journal every day, but the words aren't coming. If you let me know your challenges, I can give you some suggestions to help. And then the last one, goal setting. It's really important. When we set goals, we are likely to achieve something. If we don't set goals, it can be really difficult. So what goals do you have for this art practice this week? When you have put those in a private comment, go ahead and mark your assignment as done. Then you're going to put all of your art evidence into assignment 14, art practice evidence 5. First, make sure you've completed steps 1 through 13, and then your evidence can be a photo, a video, or a screenshot. Please don't put the same evidence that you've put in previous weeks, because I'm not going to give you points for something that I've already seen. What you can do is show me a work in progress. So for instance, if last week you had a drawing that you had started on, and then this week you finished that drawing, you can still resubmit that drawing as your evidence because you're showing it in a different phase of its development. And your evidence should really show me that you're working towards building your skill and that it's something new. Okay? And then the last one, there's going to be a separate video for this one, but you're going to start making a website to show the work that you've done on your art practice. So you're going to watch the video that I give you. This assignment, all you're doing is starting a new site, changing the page title, and sharing it with me. This should take you 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then you can experiment if you want, but we're going to just start the site this week. You're not going to do anything else with it at this point. All right. Look forward to hearing from you all. I've enjoyed what I've seen, and I'm going to start to show some of the stuff that I've seen, hopefully this week in a video. All right. Take care. Reach out to me. Communicate. Stay well. If you're struggling or overwhelmed, as always, reach out to me or reach out to another teacher or staff member that you trust. We're here for you, and we want to connect with you. All right. Bye, y'all.